Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. This is going to be an episode of Cool Truck. This is a product here that we sell frequently. This is for the GM IFS guys, specifically the Duramax guys. This is a product by Kryptonite, Kryptonite steering and suspension components here. This is going to be their tie rod kit. We do quite a bit of these. One of the weak links on the GM IFS trucks is going to be the steering components. You've probably seen many pictures of Duramaxes or 2500, 3500 HD trucks where the wheels go like this and everyone makes fun of them, or guys are at a truck pull or sled pulling event. They go to launch the truck and all of a sudden the tie rods break and everyone laughs at them. And this is what you need to cure that issue. These are going to be Kryptonite tie rod kits. These are exclusive joints that Kryptonite has designed and engineered specifically as one of the toughest joints out there. You can see here the collar is a solid billet aluminum piece here machined out, and then these joints here as well, like I said, are massive compared to the factory ones. This is pretty much the strongest stuff you can get out there for steering components on these HD trucks. So if you're looking to upgrade your steering, this is pretty much the ticket to go to. Also, all their stuff is lifetime warranted, and they have pretty much one of those warranties where it doesn't really matter how you broke it. Like, you can go jump it off a cliff, you can go race it, you can go off-roading, whatever you do and it breaks, it doesn't matter. They'll replace it for you. So if you're looking for an upgrade for the steering on your GM 2500 HD truck, and they also did come out with new tires for the 1500 trucks, which is a new product as well. Look for the Kryptonite stuff we got on our website. Peace.